Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I picked up a brand new Apple Watch Series 10, and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing as well as my first impression of the watch. So it looks like they decided to make the packaging very small, which is really good. I got the Series 10, one with the silver aluminum with GPS only, and Nike Plus sports band. So one of the reasons why I decided to make this video was because I haven't seen many review videos of this exact sports band. This is brand new for 2024, I believe. Sports band came out 2023, but for 2024, for the Series 10, they came up with a new color option. I haven't seen many people actually do unboxing or review of this Nike Plus sports band. So I thought I'd make this video for you guys. So let's open up the sports band first. Nike Sport Loop, and the color is blue and red. So you just go along this. So here's a little instruction, how to attach. And there's supposed to be a QR code where you could download watch face, but I don't see it. Anyway, let's take this out. So I'm coming from Series 4 Apple Watch, so this is a big upgrade for me. One thing I actually really like about this new style is that they decided to put, what do you call this buckle, I guess you call it, on both sides. Whereas the old version, you just see it just has a one side. So it kind of looks uneven in my opinion. Yeah, I actually like this style much better. And I don't know if this is a metal. It feels like plastic, but some people said that's a metal, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think that's plastic. Here's the new Velcro style. Yeah, it feels very similar. It feels a little more plush, but I think that could be just because this is brand new, you know. Yeah, I kind of like this color as well. It's very unique. And let's go and unbox the Apple Watch itself. Okay. Another tab, bolt tab here. As always, the packaging is, impeccable. Apple's always really good with that. So I believe in here you just have the cable, charging cable. And this is the obviously new USB-C type charging cable. And this is braided, which is good. The old one was just regular plastic cable. And I'm not sure how long this is. I think it's maybe 2 meters or something like that. USB-C. Yeah, this is metal back. The old one, again, was a plastic. And apparently this has a fast charging. If you use this cable, you'll receive fast charging. Here's some instructions. Why would they put this little wrap around just for this little paper? Oh well. Anyway, here's the actual Apple Watch itself. This apparently is thinner, but you can't really tell. Looks basically exactly the same. The face is obviously much bigger. This is 46 millimeter. This is 44. It doesn't look that much different to me, but I guess if once I start wearing it, I guess it's gonna feel different. So I decided to get the silver this time, just because. Anyway, let me go and set it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like on my wrist. All right, guys, so after the unboxing, I've been wearing the Apple Watch Series 10 with Nike Sport Loop. This color is red and blue, brand new for 2024. And here is my initial reaction after wearing for a couple of days. Let's talk about the band first. Initially, I liked the color. You know how when you look at something in the picture, it looks pretty good, but once you start wearing them, once you start trying them out, it's not that great. It is a bit disappointing for some reason, but the color, it just doesn't pop. I mean, I guess it's maybe it's too busy or something. And this connector here, initially I really liked the way it was contrast with the watch itself and everything. But I don't know, more I look at it, I just don't like it. I thought it would grow on me, but it's, I don't know. I'm just not liking it. And also this this pull tab at the end with the Nike logo on it, it just feels, everything feels kind of cheap in my opinion. And also it just kind of looks kind of cheap as well. I don't know, it just feels a lot different from what I saw in the picture. And also for some reason, this watch band makes my wrist, makes it like, it's not really that tight. I mean, I could loosen it up a little more, but almost it feels like it's kind of restricting blood flow to my arm. And this watch is definitely bigger than my old watch, which is right here. It's just, this is actually Series 4, which is 44 millimeter. Even though this is bigger, this is thinner and supposed to be like really light, but it just feels heavier. It doesn't feel right. So that's the initial impression as far as like the fit and finish. Maybe I would feel different if it was all black. They got rid of the matte finish black. I think they call it space gray. And then they replaced it with shiny glossy black. And I'm not sure if I like the glossy black. So I thought I'd try the silver one. But I don't know, just to my eye, it looks cheap. It feels cheap, especially with this band here. Again, feels soft and everything, but everything feels plasticky, and you know, you spend almost $500 for watch, and I just don't feel, it doesn't feel satisfying. Anyway, so I played around with some of the functions, you know, and as far as I can tell, there's not much improvement. Even coming from someone like me who's coming from Series 4, all the things that I could do on Series 4, I mean, all the things that I like doing on the Apple Watch, I could do it on Series 4. Now, it is, you know, kind of quite old, so it is slower, and the battery, I feel like, doesn't last as long as before, but it still runs pretty good still, you know. Everything that I do on the watch, I usually use watch just for like exercising. I use for Apple Pay as well, and it works great on this watch. So everything that I want to do or need to do on the watch, I could still do it on my Series 4, which is again 4 or 5 years old, and you know, it feels great. There's some scratches here and there, and on Series 10, I don't see any sort of improvement that would make me want to keep this watch, you know, buy a brand new watch. You know, it's like they added a lot of functions, but it just feels like very incremental. So I just can't justify keeping this watch. Yeah, sure, the size is larger. Again, I think that's actually negative in my opinion. I kind of like the 44. This is 44 millimeter. I think it feels better than 46. It just feels too big. I guess maybe it would kind of grow on me after a while. You get used to it, the size of it, but I just don't see the need for it. And yeah, the always on display is good, but do I really need that? I mean, not really. And plus, the watch face I like to use has a lot of like complications, and that one doesn't show the second tick mark when it goes to sleep. So that's like kind of useless. Not useless, but it's not, you know, as useful. So you have to use like this watch face, and there's another one, I think. I think this one also has the second arm shows after it goes to sleep. I mean, other than just those few minor improvement, and also I guess the angle you can see better, I guess. But I don't know. Is that really worth another $500 for a brand new watch? I don't know. So anyway, yeah, that's just my opinion. I certainly don't want to say that you shouldn't buy it if you really want to, but in my view, this is not much of an improvement. I feel like Apple, their innovation has gone down significantly. So anyway, that was just you know, my first impression. And your opinion might be different, right? You might, you know, I know there are a lot of people who love this watch, and it's great. But for me, I just don't think it justifies the price. I think I might just keep my old Series 4 watch, and it's probably gonna return it, I think. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and let me know if you guys have any questions, and hope I can answer it. As always, be kind to yourself and the others. All right, peace. Take care.